I'm speaking with TTS. Thanks to ID-LoRA, my voice remains the same across all scenes. That's amazing! Hi, today I want to show you how to run LTX 2.3 with reference audio using ID-LoRA. That allows you to have consistent voice across different scenes, as you have seen in my intro. I found this on a Reddit page, and from here you can find the workflow. Just download it from here. This is the ID-LoRA reference audio workflow I have used. The next thing is you also need the LoRa. You can get it from the Hugging Face here. This is the LoRa 1.16 gig. Now let's have a look on the workflow. This is the one I have used for the intro. All the model is just the same as my LTX 2.3 tutorial. So you can see I'm using the GGUF here, and upscaler, the encoder, VAE, all the same. If you have followed my tutorial, you should have all the models downloaded. The important thing is this node. I had some difficulties to get this node. I tried to update ComfyUI, it didn't get that, and somehow I got it from Nightly build. It just worked now. And this is the node where you put the reference audio. You only need 5 seconds. And of course, you need to put the LoRa here. So that's the name of my LoRa. Because this one is using one image only, I really like the one with 4 keyframes. So basically what I have done is I added this node to my keyframes workflow. You might have seen this in my other tutorial. So let me get my other workflow. As you can see, I've got the 4 keyframes here, and I have set it to 9 seconds. I'm only using 3 keyframes, so therefore you can see there are 3 switches on. And I'm not going to the details of these parameters. You can watch my other tutorial. And here is how the prompt looks like. You can describe visual, speech, and sound. What I have done is I have added the node here, the reference audio node, and the reference audio is here. Okay, now let me just change the seed and get a new video. Okay, run. Okay, it's done. Let's see the time. Oh, 604 seconds. So it's about 10 minutes. That's not bad for my 8 GB of VRAM. Before we check the result, I want to show you the reference audio first.
出来唱歌没有多久的时候所灌录的几首歌曲，我想。
Okay, that's 5 seconds audio, and this is the result.
既然请大家好，很高兴又回到这里来。接下来我想向大家介绍一下。
Okay, the voice is not exactly the same, but you can hear the melody and the style how she speaks is the same. The whole point of this LoRa is allows you to have the same voice across the scenes. Okay, I think that's all about ID-LoRa with reference audio. This is just a short video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
既然请大家好，很高兴又回到这里来。接下来我想向大家介绍一下许福福。
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.